Hi, this is Flora Michelle, opening up on YouTube again. This is an unboxing of this package I got here. It's 3 pounds, a 3-pound bag of beads that I purchased. I sell on Whatnot as Flora Michelle. You can find me there. I will post a link in the comments or in the right down below if you'd like to go on over to Whatnot and see what it's all about. Maybe do some shopping there. Or I'd like to purchase some of these beads I'm about to unbox, because this will be this week's inventory. And Whatnot. The way to do this is just to dump it all out here. I personally chose this way to ship them. But everything's okay, everything's okay, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. Okay. Let's start with the bag. This is going to be a longer video. I'll probably make some shorts out of it, just depending on what I find here. Make sure and like and subscribe if you like this video and you like watching me unbox my beads. So I got a bunch of these. These are nice cones. And here's a bunch of lanyard clips or clips for, I don't know what to call them. Badge reels. Yeah, there you go. Here's some safety pins, more safety pins. Looks like I got a bunch of lobsters here. First lobsters, these are amazing. Key rings, key rings. As we're making key rings, good time to hit me up on Whatnot, because I got some supplies for you here. And I got a bunch of these Buddha heads, nice solid metal bead, bead caps, cool bead caps, bead caps. More bead cones. I think this was chain. And it's a double loop chain. Bead caps, Look at these big bead caps. These are amazing. And that's more bead caps. So that was that bag. Let's see what's in here. We got some, look at this little guy. Some stones. So this thing is quadruple a million times wrapped here. Give me just a second to get this one open. Oh, that's a beautiful piece. This will not be for sale. I'll be keeping this. This is beautiful. Okay, if I can get it. Alright, 2 bags of opalite. Beautiful. And this kind of time where I start doing this live. Right now, it's just going to be videos. Videos and short. And so this is all the lamp work. Nice little handful of lamp work here. Beautiful. Roxy, seriously? I don't mind my dog. She thinks she's got to go inside because she's just dying out here. It's like so cold or something. Beautiful fall day. We're out in my garden. Roxy, knock it off. Alright, here we go. We got ear wires and ear clips and more ear wires and some head pins, earrings, clip-on and post style. Here's some more eye pins, ear wires, jump rings, eye pins, ear wires, head pins, ballpoint head pins, more ear wires. So this is a whole lot of earring type stuff here. This looks like it's all military. Got the red, the clear oval, blue squares. Make sure you like and subscribe. I build my channel a little bit. I'm definitely a craft person, but I sell on Whatnot. These are beautiful, large. Got some nice stones there. Look at these. These are amazing. These some big boys. Okay, here we go. I got my lamp up in here. Look at all these lamp works. These are amazing. I love these. I will be selling some of these on Whatnot. You can find me over there. And Floral Michelle. I will post a link in the comments or the section below. Whatnot, where you can find me selling these items that I'm opening right now. These carved beads, those are beautiful. There's an agate. This says rose quartz, but it's green, so these little stars. Got some agate. Look at those. Beautiful. Lapis, goldstone. There's something glass here. How beautiful all these are. Oh my goodness. Everything in the bag here. We got some flowers, some cubes, a whole lot of glass, some peanut beads, some bicones. I love the flowers, little hematite coated ones. Beautiful, small little flowers. Won't this be fun? You can come with me every week. I'll be doing this like twice a week. Maybe 3 times. Just depends on how often I get orders. Make sure you like and subscribe if you don't mind watching me open bead boxes. Follow me over on Whatnot, and you'll always know what I'm selling on Whatnot because you'll be here to see what I unbox. Look at those. Those are beautiful. Stone butterflies, and beauty quartz, apatite, and chrysocolla. These are all stones. This one's blue goldstone. I can see the blue. Look at that. It's so pretty. Cherry jade. I knew there was one more. Here we go. So this video turned into a 10-minute video, but they'll usually be more around 5-minute videos. This one's just running a little long. Look at the blue goldstone. It's beautiful. I'm keeping this, so don't get your heart set on that. Got some rhodonite. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. All right, so this has been this video. This is this box's haul. Be sure you like and subscribe. And you can find me on Whatnot. Find the link in the comments below. Whatnot.com/Michelle, where I sell beads. These beads.